So thanks for checking out Trend Signal. My name's Adrian Boothie. I'm the head of trading here at Trend Signal, where for the last 18 years, we've been providing home traders and investors with the right systems, trading signals, and one-to-one mentorship to help them to make their money work harder for them. We launched, like I said, 18 years ago, and we've won the best trading and investment education provider for the last 6 years in a row. And we'd love to take you through some of the latest trades, some of the latest successes that we've been having and our members have been having using the same systems that we're going to go through right now. In today's video, we're going to be featuring pound against New Zealand, euro against the US dollar, the Dow, and XRP. That's Ripple, one of the cryptocurrencies that we can now trade using our system as well. So let's get started with pound against the New Zealand dollar. Now, what we're really focused on here is positive outcomes for our members, and that means a trading strategy and system that is simple at the point of use. And this is what we want to demonstrate here. This is what we call the D1 accelerator strategy. You can see a couple of opportunities on the charts notified by the big discs that you can see here. Now, the green outline here represents a buying opportunity. In other words, all the right hallmarks of the patterns, the chart patterns, the longer term trends, and so on are all coming aligned to identify a higher probability trading opportunity. So there was a buy there back on the 6th of June for pound against New Zealand, and typically for this strategy we're looking to be in the trade for 1, 2 or 3 days, something like that, because they're usually fast in, out, and it will take about 20 minutes a day to implement this strategy to identify the trades, get them placed on your trading account, and so on. This trading opportunity bought from around 195.60 hits a 100-point profit in that first one day. In fact, it's a 200-point move there, so really strong move on the pound against the New Zealand dollar. It just gives you an idea of what the potential is. So when we're talking about making our money work harder for us, yes, we can go and stick it in a bank and earn 0.3% for the year, or we can look to trade it or invest it in a more active way that gives us significantly more potential there. Another opportunity followed through from the 10th of June, and here we are, we're still climbing to higher prices right up to this morning. So 196.97, here we are, a couple of 100 points or so higher up there. So really nice moves, really good potential for profit as well. Still on the theme of foreign exchange, we're going to take a look at this opportunity from the euro against the US dollar, which was a sell signal back on the 28th of May. So to be clear, this is when we're looking at prices falling, and it's just as easy to place trades on falling prices as it is to place trades looking to make money on rising prices as well. So the euro here, we're looking for the price to fall against the US dollar over the next few days, and here we can see it's continuing to fall. This is about a 300 pip move, and when you're trading, maybe you're spread betting in the UK, maybe you're trading CFDs, whatever it is, effectively it's pips that count. So if you're trading a pound a point, which is the minimum with a lot of brokers, that basically means that this has had a 300 point or 300 pound move just by trading those minimums. So there's a lot of potential from some of those trades. So that's euro against the US dollar. We can also apply it here to the Dow as well. So when we can look at indices, we can look at foreign exchange, commodities, cryptocurrencies in a second. Another sell trade here on the Dow, the US 30, Wall Street, number of different names for it. But again, another sell trade there. Very clear sniper opportunity. Notice the red rim around that disc there. The indicator's turning from green to red. And again, it's all about identifying those opportunities with simplicity. And remember, one-to-one coaching and so on is there to guide you through to best use, best practice, and best results as well. Finally, we're going to take a look at Ripple, which is a new addition to our program. So historically, FX indices, commodities, we're just adding cryptocurrencies to our system this week. And you can see we've been testing this for months and months and months, but some fantastic trades. So just applying the same trading strategies, looking at those cryptocurrencies, so the likes of Ripple here or XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Cardano, and so on. We've got another sell trade here. Sounds kind of strange looking for shorting opportunities, but you know what? When you're trading those cryptocurrencies, yes, they have some big moves to the upside, but they have a lot of moves to the downside as well. And you can see here, short from 83.30 or so, here we are now down at 0.68. So this is approximately, what, 17% fall over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days there. And again, just as straightforward to make money on rising prices with brokers like Binance and Kraken, etc., as it is to make money on falling prices as well. It's just about direction. And what we want to do is teach you how to identify these trades yourself and learn more about these strategies at one of our upcoming live events. I want to show you exactly how this rules-based strategy works. And if it's something you're interested in progressing with, maybe it's tools and strategies like these that you'd like to apply from home on your own trading accounts as well. So if you'd like to learn more about it, get yourself booked in to our next live trading event. There's a form on this page where you can book in, choose the next live session that's going to suit you. It's going to be crammed full of educational content that's going to help you to be a better trader. And from then, if you're interested in using our system and you want to come on board and join us, then you're going to be given the opportunity with loads of offers and promotions and so on within the session to help you to take that next stage further as well. All the best, guys. Look forward to seeing you online at our next live event.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.